Namaste everyone. Today I will guide you some sun salutation and add in some posture will help us start our day with feel full of energy. And let's do together. Step in front of the mat. Slowly, hands go to prayer posture. Inhale, raise your hand over the head, bend back. Exhale, forward fold. Try to lengthening your spine. If you feel rounding your spine, you can bend your knee and straighten your spine. Inhale, step the right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Flank, knee down, chest chin down. Inhale, cobra. Look up the ceiling. Exhale, downward dog. Press your heel down. Chin to the chest. Look at your belly. Inhale, step the right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Forward fold. Straighten your legs, straighten your spine. Inhale, slowly. Raise your hand up. Look up. Bend back. This one we do one round sun salutation. We will do two more rounds. Slowly. Inhale, hand up. Look up. Bend back. Exhale, forward fold. From here, step the right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Flank, knee down, chest chin down. Cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, step the left leg back between the hand, right leg back. Forward fold. And inhale slowly, hand up, look up, bend back. Prayer posture. One more time. Inhale, hand up, look up, bend back. Exhale, forward fold. Try to straighten your spine. Step the left leg back, right leg back. Flank. Knee down, chest chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. And inhale, step the left leg back, right leg back, forward fold. Inhale, slowly raise your hand up, look up. Prayer posture. And from here, just close your eye, open your hand, open your leg, and take some deep breath in here. Deep breath out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Gently open your eyes. And now just sit down on your mat. Yes, you see that with few rounds sun salutation, you feel so much better. We start the day. Just lie down on the mat, hand beside the shoulder, bend your knee. Drop your knee to the right, head to the neck. Try to the shoulder on the mat. And we twist another side. From here, twist more. One more time to the right, head to the left, and stay here for 5 seconds. Try drop your knee to the ground. The shoulder stick on the mat, no raise up like this. Stick on the mat. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now one more time, straighten your right leg and left leg drop. Yes. The shoulder still stick on the mat. And try if you cannot, no need raise the shoulder up like this. Just stick your shoulder and your leg. You can bring the right hand, wrap your left leg and try to straighten. You feel deep stretching here. Just stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly drop it down and change the right leg. Wrap it, bring to the right side. Yes. Try to bring your right shoulder stick on the mat, no raise up the mat. Just stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Feel the deep stretching here and slowly release your leg. Now we go with happy baby pose. Hold and press it down. You can drop your body left and right. Press it down. Press your baby pose down. Yes. Just stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release and use your hand. Hug your knee. Just slow here. Roll your body up and down. Left and right. And now, just open your leg, open your hand and relax. Try to bring your whole body inside the mat. Don't touch the floor, go inside the mat and palm up the ceiling. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Inhale and exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now slowly raise your hand over the head. Enjoy the long stretching here. And exhale. Slowly turn the body to the right side with the hand support. Bring your body, sit back for the start position. Hand to prayer posture, lengthening your spine. Gentle smile on your face. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Now, wipe your hands together. Bring your hand, some warmth to your eyes. One more time, wipe your hand. Bring the hand to the cheek. Some warmth to the chin, your neck, your chest, and your lower back. Bring the palm together, chin to the chest, forward fold in front. Namaste, everyone. Gently, with few blink, open your eyes. Thank you everyone for letting me guide you practice today. And I hope to see you in next video. Try to practice often so you will feel so much changing in your body. See you in next video.